we are going to start with a new point or a new topic, that is lesson number 10, motion and measurement. We are going to start a new topic, that is motion and measurement. So before that, we are going to learn the one more concept, that is transport. Now, what is a transport? Now you know, many of the students during the vacation, you might be traveling from one place to another place by the means of transport. Am I right? So there are different means of transport. You might be using your own car. Some people might be going through the train, plane, bus, travelers. These are the different modes of the transport. Am I right? The people are using the different modes of transport. Even if you want to come to the school, some students are coming by the different vehicles such as bikes. Some are coming from the school bus, some are coming from rickshaw, some are coming from the by bicycle. Yes or no? So these are the different modes of a transport. But have you ever imagined that how the olden or the ancient people used to move from one place to another? Yes, in history you might be learning about this. The people in ancient days, let's learn a story of a transport in ancient days. What happened in ancient days? The people used to move from one place to another by their foot. They used to move one place to another by walking from one place to another and carrying the luggage at back. The people used to carry the luggage at backside and they used to move from one place to the another. Then after some invention, the people started to use the animals such as cow, buffalo, camel, elephant. These are the domestic animals. So they started using the domestic animal. By the means of domestic animals, they used to move from one place to another. Then this was a development of the people. And after this, the people have started using there was an invention of a wheel. There was an invention of a wheel which brought a drastic change which made a very important change in the mode of transport. Now you will see every vehicle which we use nowadays, the basic is the wheel. With the help of the wheel, even the car, the plane, every vehicle has a wheel so that they can move from one place to another. Now this is the basic. The ancient people invented the wheel, and because of the wheel, it makes it very easy to move from one place to another. Are you getting this? So now, after this invention of the wheel, the people started developing use of the wheel, and they started developing in the mode of the transport, and they started to develop the steam engine, and this made the important change in the mode of the transport, which helped for the invention of the steam engine, aeroplane, automobiles, metro trains. This helps which makes the mode of transport very fast. Am I right? Now if you know metro train, if you will see, it is moving at a very high speed. The people can move from one place to another in few hours. Yes or no? So this makes a very important change in a transport. Are you getting this? So this was a important change was brought in the transport. So this was the story of a transport. Now let's learn the next part, very important part of measurement. Now, is there a need of measurement? Is there a need of measurement? If there is no measurement, then is it possible? See, if you will go to the shopkeeper, if there would be no measurement, either you would be in profit or you would be in the loss. Yes or no? These two conditions it would be. Yes? So there is a very important of measurement. Measurement plays a very important role in our life, because measurement is nothing but comparing the unknown quantity with the fixed known quantity. Measurement is nothing but comparing the unknown quantity. Now if I want to buy a potato, 1 kg of potato, I don't know how much potato I have to take. So that is unknown quantity. Yes, the shopkeeper has a weight. Yes or not? It use the different types of the weight. 1 kg, 500 gram. Yes, these are the different weight used by the shopkeeper. So these are the fixed weight. These are the fixed weight. Now you know the beam balance, that is also called as tarazu. This was used in the olden days by the shopkeeper. Now there is a weighing machine. With the help of the weighing machine, it can measure the weight. Yes or no? So measurement plays a very important role in our life. It makes a, see, now if we don't have the measurement, then if I want to buy a particular thing, then how I can buy that, how I can purchase it? The shopkeeper can fool me, yes or no, or I can fool the shopkeeper. These are the two cases it might be happen. So measurement plays a very important role. So measurement is very important. Now there are the different measurements, yes or no? The standard unit of measurement. Now what is meant by that? The quantity which we can measure. The quantity which we can measure, such a quantity, they are called as a physical quantity. That is called as a physical quantity. The quantity which we can measure, that is called as a physical quantity. For example, if I want to measure the length of this pen. Yes, so the length is the basic quantity which I can measure. Yes or no? Then if I want to measure the area of this room, so area is the physical quantity which I can measure. The quantities which I can measure, such a quantity, it is called as a physical quantity. For example, length, mass, temperature, this we can measure. So they are called as a physical quantity. In olden days, the people use the body part for measurement. For example, handspan. So this is a handspan. Then they use the cuboid distance. Cuboid distance means the distance between the middle finger to the elbow. The distance between middle finger to the elbow is called as a cuboid distance. The distance of food, they use this body part to measure the particular length. But it is not a standard measure. It is not a standard measure. Why it is not a standard measure? Because if you will look for each and every person, now if I will compare my hand with a small baby hand, then whose hand is very less? Yes, the baby hand is very small. Am I right? The baby hand is very small and my hand is big. If I want to measure the particular thing, of course the measurement will come wrong. The measurement is going to come wrong. Am I right? So there is a need of the standard measurement. There is a need of the standard measurement. Are you getting this? So standard unit of measurement is very important. For your syllabus, we are only going to discuss about the standard unit of measurement of length. We are going to discuss only the standard unit of measurement of length. Are you getting this? So standard unit, how to measure the standard unit of measurement of length, that we will discuss in the next video. But before that, there is one activity number 2. You have to measure. If you are having the table at home, you can take the measurement of the table with your hand, or you and take your small brother or a sister or younger brother or a sister to measure and compare the measurement of both of your hands. Are you getting this? Try to complete the activity 2. Okay. I hope you have understood it. In the next video, we are going to learn in detail about the measurement of a length. Are you getting? Thank you.